have those greasy hair kind of days, so don't mention my cap. Anyways, hi guys, it's Minal here. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing week so far. So as you all know, it's summer and I really needed to freshen up my decor game. So I thought, why not use the power of DIY? That's right, the power of DIY. So I finally did some DIYs and I thought, why not show you guys how I DIYed them so you can also up your decor game. So don't forget to leave a like if you like this video, and while you're there, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first DIY is actually quite simple to make and is for sure an eye-catching decor. So all you need to do for this DIY is cut some elephant outline shapes. Yes, that's it. For this, I'm already using a printout of an elephant shape outline, which I'll link it down below, and I'm going to trace this outline on a piece of scrapbook paper or colorful design paper, and I'm going to precisely cut it out. Similarly, I'm going to cut around 11 pieces out of different design papers or scrapbook papers. After I'm done cutting all the 11 pieces out, I'm going to cut some different lengths of rope or strings and stick those on the back of our elephant shaped cutouts with the tape. Now I'm going to take a dowel or a wooden stick. I bought this from a local store for just 6 rupees. Believe me guys, just 6 rupees. And I'm going to tie our elephant strings to it. I'm also going to tie a string at the top so I can hang it. To make it look more elegant, I'm going to attach some tassels that I've already made at the bottom of the strings. And there you have it guys, an interesting way of making a wall hanging which will definitely get you some praise. For the next one, I'm using an old frame which was lying around in my house. I'm going to remove the backing of the frame very carefully. I'll also remove all the insides of it like glass. Please make sure you remove it carefully without hurting yourself. Now all you need to do is turn the frame around. Make sure you're working on the back side of the frame. Now cut some yarn or string to the size of the breadth of the frame. And now just stick the yarn with the tape. Make sure you tape it properly so that it does not come off. Now flip the frame and hang some cute photos with the help of some small wooden clips. And there you have it guys, an easy way to display your lovely photos. And for the last one, all I'm going to use are the popsicle sticks or the candy sticks. Yes, you've heard it right, popsicle sticks. You must have already used this for some sort of crafts before. I'm going to place them in a square shape likewise, and I'm going to stick them together with a glue gun, or you can also use PVA glue. Then I'll just keep on stacking these popsicle sticks until I get a nice sturdy shelf. I've used around 50 popsicle sticks for this. After I'm done sticking them together and making a shelf out of it, I'm going to now paint them. For this I'm using a gold spray paint. You can use anything that's available for you. Remember to paint on both the sides. And there you have it guys, an easy way of making a useful shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate any of these DIYs, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram or my Twitter, and all the other social media links will be down in the description bar below. And I would really love to see all your recreations, so don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Cause why not guys, do it? Good. And also click on the bell button next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.